The Food Service Exchange presents.
It's all about simple and fast meal planning with this Magic Chef Multicooker. Sous vide in French means under vacuum. Today, we're going to vacuum seal our food and cook it in a temperature-controlled water bath. And everything you need comes with it. Mitts, ladles, cups, spoons, extra gaskets, steam rack, glass lid, it's all here. Plus, the quick guide cheat sheet and direct from their recipe book, I'm making filet mignon with herb butter. Now, let me tell you something. This is what's so amazing about this process. All you need is simple everyday products that you have at home. That we're gonna take and we're gonna season this filet mignon with some salt on both sides. There's a nice piece of filet. Some cracks of pepper. Nice and easy. And some fresh thyme. Okay, this is how easy it is. I take any resealable bag and fill it with my filet mignon. Thyme, garlic, knob of butter, a little bit of salt and pepper. You set the water, 129 degrees for rare, 132 for medium rare, 135 for medium, and 145 for medium well and well done. Drop it in the water. It's that easy. Put the lid on it. And that's it. 40 minutes later, you have a perfectly cooked piece of meat. When I mean perfectly cooked piece of meat, absolutely perfect from stem to stern, from top to bottom, just the way you want to eat it, just the way the Magic Chef is going to help you cook it. So everything you need is right here. All this, I'm starting to salivate a little bit. I'm going to start to sear. Now, check this out. I started with the head start. The piece that I put in is right here. And the one that I already had inside is right there. Check it out. Slide it over. Now, the cool thing about sous vide is you can do it ahead of time. You could let that steak sit in there for 30, 40, 50 minutes. Nothing's going to change. Nothing about it. It's going to be delicious, moist, juicy, and just the temperature you want it. Now, remove said steak from the bag where the butter's in there and the piece of garlic and the thyme leaf. It's beautiful, right? Perfectly cooked. What it doesn't have is that sear, right? You want a little steak, you want a little bit of sizzle. Press the sear button. In the Magic Chef I go. Little bit of oil. You can see it's already beaming hot. You take the steak and literally 1 minute aside, boom, you get the sizzle. There are lots of delicious ideas from everything to dinner, dessert. Take a look over here. Check it out. It's light and easy and breezy, and you can do the mushrooms in the sear function as well. Cheesecake, I got that. Who thought you could ever do it in a Magic Chef multi-cooker? Not this chef, but I can tell you, this chef, magic. There's 9 cooking methods in this device. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice, steam, sear, yogurt, the aforementioned sous vide, and cake, and don't forget about keep warm. Let me turn you over. This thing's about getting ready good to eat. Let me pull my plate up over here. Hungry man style. Look at this. Perfectly cooked steak. I've got my asparagus and my potatoes here. On the side, I've got the garlic herb butter with parsley and red peppers and salt. You can put anything you want into it. Whatever it takes for you to make it taste good. Look at this. Look at that. Look how good this looks right here. This is perfect. You ready to get started? These babies are available exclusively at HomeDepot.com. And for always, you can check out our website, thebalancingact.com, for more information. This has been a quick bite, but chew slowly. Man, that's good.